This is a Canary floor plan by DRB Homes in Parrish, Florida, in the community called Sierra. This is the modern exterior, which has the glass doors. And when you walk in, you notice pretty quickly the main feature of this home is the 2-story high family room. The foyer can also be 2 stories high if you leave it in the standard configuration. So looking back at the foyer, we've added 2 bedrooms upstairs, which is built over the foyer, but otherwise it would be a 20-foot high ceiling in the foyer also. The kitchen is back in the corner. It features a large island and a breakfast area. It's next to a nook for a butler pantry and a long, probably 15-foot deep pantry. This is a flex space a lot of people would use as a dining room because it's near the kitchen and the butler pantry and close to the family room. Down here, we're walking past 2 bedrooms connected by a buddy bath towards the 3rd car garage. Coming back to the towering great room, you see it goes out to the lanai, which is finished with pavers. It goes out to the roof line. And the owner's suite is back here in the far right corner. And it has 2 walk-in closets, which you walk past on the way to the owner's bath, which is 2 separate vanities. And can have this soaker tub. And then that's the standard shower here, and a water closet. The standard shower features thick glass and a U handle and a handset tile. Going back through the main part of the home, this is the door to the 2-car garage and the hall to the half bath and the laundry room, half bath, laundry room. This is a big home. It starts at 4,400 square feet. And this one went up to over 5,000 because we added 2 more bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, maxing out the square footage that we have upstairs. This is one of the standard bedrooms. Here's a bathroom. Here's the other standard bedroom with its own bathroom. This is a loft area and a balcony in the back. That's a 3.5-minute video of the Canary.